In this problem, we are going to take the given equation in slope-intercept form and use that to graph. So slope-intercept form is represented by y is equal to mx plus b, where slope is rise over run, represented by the letter m or variable, and b is the y-intercept. In this given equation, we already have slope-intercept form written for us. Y is equal to 2x plus 4, so all we have to do first is identify the slope and the y-intercept, and then use these two steps of graphing using slope-intercept form. So our slope is going to be represented as 2 over 1. So we do need that rise over run. So you do want one number in the numerator and one number in the denominator. And the y-intercept is 4. So what we're going to do first is use these two steps. Now that we know our slope and y-intercept, what we're going to do first is plot the y-intercept. So I'm going to go up to the number 4 on the y-axis and plot a point. Next, I'm going to use step 2, and it says use slope to plot additional points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from where I am right here at my y-intercept of 4, and I'm going to use the rise over run method. So that means my slope, I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. So here we go. Rising 2 at my original point, I'm going to rise 2, so 1, 2, that means I go up 2. And I run 1 means I go over to the right 1. Because that's positive, I'm going up and to the right. In order to continue plotting points, I could use more graph paper to the right, or I could just start over from my y-intercept and just go in the opposite direction. Before I went up 2 and to the right 1, so to continue this line, maybe on the left side, I'm just going to mirror image that, where I would go down 2 and to the left 1. Okay, and then once you're done, you'd use a straight edge to connect your points.